Welcome to Cindy Eats. I'm Cindy. Hey, how y'all doing today? I put up a poll. What did y'all want to see me have for lunch today? And overwhelmingly, Zaxby'S won. What did I get? I got something I never had. They're Nibblers. Never had the Nibblers. Just a chicken tender on the bread with a Zax sauce, which I love. And I got me a Zax snack, chicken tenders and fries. Comes with bread. Let me say my grace. Amen, amen, amen. And let me just say, while I'm in the amen mood, let me not say in the amen mood, but you know, why I'm in that mind frame, why I'm in that. On my way here, I also got 3 cookies. I've never had that cookie before. On my way back, y'all, because you know this is my lunch. I go travel for lunch, get lunch. I got stopped by the red light. I was the last car in line and missed the light. And I said, God. And then I thought about it. I said, the Lord is saving me from something where something is going to be just on time for me. And when I say it was just on time for me, I got through that drive-through line with no issues. Made it on my way back. Hit all the green lights and I made all turns, baby. Do you hear me? The Lord is constantly making a way out of no way, not just for me, but others and for you. I'm currently, you know, I ain't gonna say stressed, but stressed about, you know, situations, things that I got going on. And I know somebody else is too. The same way he made a way for me to get there and get back on time to make a little quick video for y'all, he's doing the very exact same thing for you and whatever the situation is that you're going through. I promise you. I can't see my way out of a paper bag right now with a flashlight. But I know it's going to work out for me. And if it's going to work out for me, it's going to work out for you. It's going to work out for us all for the good of those who love the Lord. Amen. Amen. Now let's get to the little bites going on, okay? So I'm going to have to assume that this is Zax sauce on this raggedy chicken tender that they gave me on this dank sandwich. Look at this. Raggedy. Ragamunctious. Ragadocious. Let me bite. Zaxby'S got that good ice. Let me get another quick thumbnail. Zaxby'S got that good ice. Chick-fil-A ice, hospital ice, crush ice, whatever you call it. I needed 2 large cups for me and my coworker. How about they ran out of ice? They said that ice machine was broke. I thought they was lying. But the ice truck pulled up. So they wouldn't lie. But I thought they were lying. It's a Zaxby's chicken tender. But I don't like that sauce. It could have been regular Zax sauce. I don't know, but I ain't like that sauce. Look at it. They plays with the size. They plays with the size of this chicken. Y'all hear me? But I gotta say, I was very shocked at the results, y'all, because I just knew McDonald's would win out. Nicole C was like, ooh, double fillet of fish. And I was like, yes. Yes. Then I also thought Arby's would win. And Chef Pierre was like, yes, Arby's. And I was like, yes, jalapeno poppers, a milkshake. But y'all chose that then. Let me a little sandwich. Hold on. I'm gonna take a little piece of this bread. I'm gonna take this piece of chicken tender. I'm gonna add a little Zaxby's sauce. Make me a sandwich. Now, mind you, that's what that nibbler was supposed to be. But that's not what it was giving. I didn't like the bread. If y'all heard me before, and I told y'all I don't like hot mayonnaise, warmed up mayonnaise. I don't like that. And that's very much what that nibbler was giving. So it throws it off of me. And that bread was kind of sweet. I don't like that. Like, I don't eat King's Hawaiian rolls. If I do, I eat the savory kind. I don't stuff my mouth. Hold on. Today is Tuesday. I'm in the office. But I was actually in the office yesterday, which is Monday, because we got visitors from Canada. And they wanted to see what our team do, which is the international team. And what our processes and stuff was, so we had to come in while they was in. But I want to say I had a great weekend. Saturday, my daughter took me to a concert. And then it's not my first concert, but it wasn't my first time seeing one of my favorite R&B groups, Jagged Edge, and I enjoyed it. Do you hear me? I enjoyed it. I had fun. You know, I was singing the songs with them, but then I was stuck like, I'm really seeing Jagged Edge. Then I was so upset. I ain't gonna say upset, but I was like, I gotta see them again. I need to be on the floor where they at, so they can see me. Drew Hill was there too. Cisco threw his jacket out into the crowd. Somebody got his jacket. He's a tiny man, so it was a tiny jacket. Case was there. Awesome singer. I don't know what. Jagged Edge was throwing out towels and stuff, y'all. I was like, that should have been me. I'm literally gonna kick this video to 10 minutes because I gotta go. So if you made it this far in the video, please like, share, and comment. You do one, I give you two. First, I give you love. So the very reason I show up each and every time is strictly for your viewing pleasure. Hope to see you next time on Cindy Eats.